Hi Prof, I'm Ping Shi from 724 Team 1 and this is my project reflection. My group created a household energy tracker for project part 1 and I focused mainly on the monthly progress and appliance breakdown functions before conducting debugging. Our program involves lots of user interaction to collect and consolidate their data before relaying insightful outputs. Hence, I applied a series of for or while loops, if-else conditions, string formatting, and math functions, etc. that have been taught in the module in order to handle the complex program function requirements. While coding the appliance breakdown function, an interesting takeaway was the use of while not in, which clearly defines the boundaries of user inputs required, enabling the program to avoid errors like value error, where the user types in an invalid value to a function. This served as a straightforward alternative to raising exceptions. For debugging, I realized that initially, when for loop was used for some iterations, users could get stuck in a sequence as the loop did not allow for infinite iterations. Hence, I changed to using while loops and also added a back function throughout the whole energy tracker, so users can always return to the main menu and not get stuck before they decide to log out. Moreover, the functions that I was working on are dependent on users' past inputs. Hence, we needed to inform users when there is insufficient data and ensure that the program will continue. For the purpose of evaluating the trackers function, I created a way to generate the dummy historic data on the main menu. The result enabled us to show the month-on-month change in overall usage in function C, and users can also see month-on-month change when they select an appliance in function D. For project part 2, my group investigated factors contributing to high household electricity usage. Focusing on the factor of pandemic-related lifestyle changes, I created a research framework based on guiding questions. During the research process, I exercised data cleaning and also reorganized data frames to conduct analysis from various perspectives. I also learned how to format charts to drive understanding using matplotlib and Seaborn, and also understood how numerical and categorical data could be used. We concluded that pandemic-related lifestyle changes has indeed affected electricity usage, as seen by the rise in daily peak demand, average usage throughout the day, and average usage on weekends. I also conducted linear regressions to determine how changes in each independent variable, like the daily new COVID cases, daily temperature, and household income, could affect changes in household electricity usage. These offered new perspectives like how the additional consumption from 1 degree increase in temperature is equivalent to every single household in Singapore owning their aircon for 2.5 hours more. Overall, this project has allowed me to learn that firstly, coding a program requires lots of thought from the user's perspective. Secondly, coding in a team setting requires lots of communication. And thirdly, having a good foundation and frequent practice is key for efficiency. Thank you.